Coding Mom. I'm going to tell you guys how to learn coding easily. To learn coding, there are lots of things you should know, but I'm going to start with very simple and basic stuff with Scratch. Scratch is a great platform for children to easily code and create games. From now on, I'm going to make a letter, move, and show and hide using variable like this. To help you guys understand well, I will show you a little bit how programmer prep before coding. I will do this 5 steps. Step number 1, type in what to make in a plain text. Number 2, make a pseudocode. Number 3, find out logic for an element. Number 4, find variable. And number 5, finally check it works well in Scratch. First, you can see what to do, just like this. Let's type in what to make in a plain text. It goes like this. Letter A is keep moving, randomly, everywhere, forever. When A keys pressed, if the letter is shown, then it will be hidden. Otherwise, it will be shown. Okay, next, second step is to make a pseudocode. This is what we typed in before. You can see our plain text are matching with these blocks. Moving randomly, a key is pressed, show or not, hide and show. The making pseudocode is a process of representing graphically. It is simplified graphically and looks very intuitive so that we can prep for taking one step further. Because real coding is not so simple like this. This process will help us to summarize and organize and simplify. It also facilitates making a computer language. As you know, we are prepping for coding which is closer to computer language. It will be used in a similar way when we make a Scratch game. Next, third step is finding out logic for an element. At first, an element can be considered to letter A because this letter A is the subject of action. So what A does becomes a logic. Therefore, collection of these blocks, move randomly, A keys press, show, hide, and show, will become a logic. We can also guess that we have to control 2 types of situation, that is hide and show. There are several ways to control this. For example, if, else, while, case, etc. But according to this pseudocode block, there are 2 values of status will be existed. So if else condition will be more suitable for this logic. You can see that it gets closer to the computer language, right? And fourth step is finding variable. Variable means that to code wiki, a symbolic name associated with a value and whose associated value may be changed. I know it is so hard to understand, but I would say just we have to find out what will be changed, and changeable value lead to different action and different logic. And according to our logic, we can assume that the status of element letter A can be a variable. The status of letter A is changeable and meaningful. So to summarize, the status of letter A will make element hide and show, so it is very suitable for variable. So I will name like this, is A show, so I will declare later. And now we are prepped for coding. The last step is checking it works well, checking it works well. So finally we can dive into making a Scratch. Let's get started. So first what I'm going to do is hovering over sprite button, and I choose letter A. And I also choose backdrop, blue sky. And to make letter move randomly, you can see coding block in the left sidebar. There is motion part. There are a bunch of coding blocks you can choose, but we should use this block glide one sec to random position, put it on the center page, but we are missing something. This letter is supposed to keep moving forever, so go to control part, there is a forever block, drag out, put it on the center page, make a connection. This combination will make our letter keep moving. Just click it. You can see it moving, random position forever. And next what you're going to do is hiding letter when same key is pressed and show letter when key pressed again. Go to the variable part and click make a variable button, and our real name is a show. And click OK button. And next I go to event category and drag out when space key pressed block and put it on the center page, and I will change it to A. And go to control category. There is if else condition, so I drag out this block and make a connection. And there is hexagon, you can see. It means that this if else condition needs operator. So go to operator category and drag out equal condition. There is equal condition, so drag out and put it on the top of this block, variable category, and drag out is a show, put it on the left side, and type in true on the right side. And go to looks part and drag out hide and drag out show. And go to variable and set is a show to false and set is a show to true. That's it. Let's check out our letter A moving. Just a click. It works so well. Thanks for your watching. Next time I will come back with something else. Bye.